Thank you for choosing Arissto. Here is the Aristo's Italian coffee machine that I will unbox and go through its features with you. Lift the sleeve here, remove the cardboard sheet, and you will find some printed QR codes. Use your smartphone to scan this QR code to read the user manual. And scan this one to register for warranty. Skip this step if you're with us for a product trial or rental at ringgit per month. To easily get the coffee machine out of the box, remove the cardboard sheets behind and in front of the machine first. Remove the protective bag of the body and that of the lever. Then, remove the mounting stickers. Note that also in the box is a power cable. Together with the water tank and the drip tray, here are all the components of Aristo's coffee machine. Let's look closely at the Aristo's Italian coffee machine. On the top here is the lever. Lift it to insert the capsule you want to brew, one at a time. Press the buttons nearby to brew your coffee. The small cup button releases less water. The big cup button releases more water, suitable for making mild coffee like a long black or lungo. The coffee will be released here. You can adjust the nozzle to fit cups of different heights. The used capsule will drop in the basket automatically right after you lift the lever again. You can remove and clean the cover and the basket separately. At the back, this is the plug of the water tank, the power socket, and the power button. It's very easy to install the water tank. First align the side of the tank and the back of the machine with each other. Also align the four legs and the plug to the base here. Then the water tank and the coffee machine will fit seamlessly. Please have your water ready before you make a coffee. The tank's volume is 800 milliliters. It is enough to brew at least 8 capsules. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Once the brew button stops blinking, the machine is ready to use. If it is the first time you use the machine, press the big cup button twice to flush and wash the machine. The water will be clear once the machine is clean. Now let's make a cup of cappuccino with the Aristo's Italian coffee machine. First lift the lever to insert a milk capsule. Close the lever and press the small cup button to prepare a serving of frothy milk. Then insert a coffee capsule. An Amico is used here. Press the small cup button again. Witness these beautiful and complex layers of froth, coffee, and milk. 30 seconds are what it takes to make a nice, rich cup of cappuccino. It's recommended to clean the machine each time you've made a coffee. Make sure that there are no capsules inserted in the slot. Press the big cup button twice to flush away any residue of coffee and milk. Don't forget to remove the used capsules and stagnant water from the basket, too.